Ever since Bill Clinton was still in office, with Monica Lewinsky filling on his nutsack. I'm an MC, still as honest, but as rude and as indecent as all hell. Syllables, killaholic, killable. This libbity, gibbity, hibbity, hip hop. You really wanna get into a piece of match with this rapidy backpack and a Mac in the back of the yak backpack, rap, yap, yap, yakety yak, nap. The exact same time I attempt these lyrical acrobat stunts while I'm practicing that. I'm still be able to break a motherfucking table over the back of a couple of faggots and crack it in half. Only realized it was ironic. I was under aftermath after the fact. How could I not blow? All I do is drop F-bombs. From a random attack, rappers are having a rough time period. Here's a maxi pad. It's actually disastrously bad. On the back with a master key. Fuck him, this master beat ass. I feel like a rapper. All my people from the front to the back. Now who thinks their arms are long enough to slap? Let me show you maintaining this shit ain't that. Everybody want the key and the secret to grabbing your talent. See like I have done. Will there be truth for the blueprints? Super rage and youth building blueprints. Everybody loves to move for a nuisance. Hit the earth like an asteroid. Did nothing but shoot for the moon since. MCs get taken to school with this music because I use it as a vehicle to bust the rhyme. Now
Bust rhyme.
Me, I'm a product of rockin', lockin', Sebastian Rockin', W-A-Q, hate that ring, yellow easy, thank you, they got slim. Inspired enough to one day grow up and be in a position to meet Run DMC and induct him into the motherfucking rockin' roll Hall of Fame. Even though I walk in the church in person, a ball of flames. Only Hall of Fame I'll be inducted in is the Alcohol of Fame on the wall of shame. You bags think it's all a game till I walk a flock of flames. Off the blanket, tell me what in the fuck are you drinking? Little boy looking boy, so gay I can barely say it with a straight face looking boy. Doing this in a massive crowd, make a watch in a church gathering take place looking boy. Boy, Ray, that boy's gay, that's all they say looking boy. You get it from some pad in the back and a way to go from your label looking gay looking boy. Hey looking boy, what you say looking boy? I get it hell yeah from Trey looking boy. I'm a work for everything I have, never ask nobody for shit, get out my face looking boy. Basically boy, you never gonna be capable of keeping up with the same pace looking boy. I'm beginning to feel like a rapper. All my people from the front to the back. The way I'm racing around the track, call me NASCAR. Feeling hard at the trailer park with white trash dog. Kneel before General Zod was planet Krypton. No Asgard, so you be Thor, I'll be Odin. Rodent, I'm omnipotent. Let off, then I'm reloading immediately with the bombs I'm toting. And I should not be woken. I'm the walking dead, but I'm just a talking head, a zombie floating. But I got your mom throating. I'm out my ramen noodle. We have nothing in common, poodle. I'm a Doberman. Pinch yourself.
Pinch yourself.
Pay homage, people. It's me.
Pay homage.
My honesty's brutal, but it's honestly fuel to find and utilize what I do. Though who could have these once in a while, so I wanna make sure somewhere in the chicken scratch I scribble and doodle enough rhymes to maybe try to help get some people through tough times. But I gotta keep a few punchlines just in case, 'cause even you unsigned rappers are hungry, looking at me like it's lunchtime. I know there was a time where one side was king and the other
Is this
side
for
was
me?
still rap like I'm on my pharaoh munch
So
rhymes, my punch rhymes. But sometimes when you combine up here with the skin color of mine, you get too big and here comes trying to censor you like that one line I said. On I'm back from the Mathers LP1 when I tried to say I take 7 kids from Columbine, put them all in a line at an AK-47, a revolver and a 9. See if I get away with it now that I ain't as big as I was, but I'm morphing into an immortal coming through the portal. You're stuck in a time warp from 2004, and I don't know what the fuck that you mind for. You're pointless as Rapunzel with fucking cornrows. You might know I'm a fuck being normal. And I just bought a new ray gun from the future just to come and shoot you like when Fabulous made Ray J mad. It's Ray J mad. Made with his patsy into a man while he played piano. Man, oh man, that was a 24/7 special on the cable channel. So Ray J went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey Fab, I'ma kill you. I'm coming at you with supersonic speed.
Supersonic speed.
You assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber. So that anything you say is shaking off of me and it'll do you. Devastating, more than ever demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell off. They'll be celebrating 'cause I know